Now we are going to discuss about sea lions, top 10 facts about sea lions. Number one, sea lions are classified as marine mammals belonging to the pinniped family. The term mammal refers to a class of vertebrate animals characterized by the presence of mammary glands, giving them the ability to nurse their young with milk. Number two, within the diverse group of pinnipeds, there exist numerous species of sea lions, each exhibiting unique characteristics and adaptations to their respective habitats. These species vary in size, behavior, and distribution. Number three, the northern Atlantic Ocean doesn't serve as a natural habitat for sea lions due to geographical and environmental factors. Sea lions populations are typically found in other regions such as the Pacific Ocean or the southern hemisphere. Number four, comparing sea lions to other marine mammals such as seals or walruses reveals distinct differences in their physical features, behavior, and evolutionary history. While they share certain commonalities, each group possesses unique traits that set them apart. Number five, sea lions demonstrate exceptional hunting skills, employing various techniques to secure their prey. They are proficient swimmers, utilizing their streamlined bodies, powerful flippers, and acute sensory capabilities to navigate their aquatic environment and capture food sources, which primarily consist of fish and squid. 6. Generally, large sea lions tend to have advantages in terms of physical strength, reproductive success, and access to resources. Size plays a crucial role in the hierarchy and social dynamics within sea lion colonies. Number 7. Sea lions exhibit a remarkable degree of social behavior, often forming colonies or groups known as rookeries. These social structures provide benefits such as enhanced protection, cooperative hunting, and communication through vocalizations and body language. Number 8. As sea lions age, they may experience health issues associated with natural aging process. These age-related ailments can include degenerative conditions, diminished immune responses, and decreased reproductive capabilities. Number 9. Sea lions possess specialized adaptations that enable them to thrive in their marine habitats. These adaptations include streamlined bodies for efficient swimming, blubber for insulation, flipper like limbs for propulsions, and accurate sensory systems for locating prey and navigating their environment. Number 10. Beyond these facts, Sea lions play important ecological roles within their ecosystems. They contribute to nutrient cycling through their feeding habits and serve as indicators of environmental health. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensuring the long term survival of these fascinating marine creatures and preserving the biodiversity of our oceans. Dear friends, these were the 10 most important facts about sea lions in the sea world. That's all.